Pancreas, sweetbread. Objective: study about human pancreas. The pancreas is the second largest gland in the body, pinkish in colour, situated in the upper left part of the abdominal cavity behind the stomach, lying between the two limbs of the C-shaped duodenum. The pancreas is a mixed or heterocrine gland made up of the exocrine and endocrine tissues. The exocrine portion is made up of pancreatic acini, or lobules. Each acinus is made up of 6 to 8 acinar or zymogen cells, enzyme secreting, surrounding a small intercalated duct into which they release their secretions. The zymogen cells secrete the pancreatic juice, which is a clear alkaline fluid with a pH of 8.4. It contains water, proenzymes such as trypsinogen, chymotrypsinogen, procarboxyl peptidase, enzymes like elastase, amylase, a strong lipase, steopsin, and a high content of bicarbonate ions. The pancreatic juice helps in neutralizing the acidic chyme, maintain alkaline conditions in the small intestine, and digestion of food. The pancreatic juice is drained by two separate ducts, the main pancreatic duct and the accessory pancreatic duct. The main pancreatic duct, or duct of Wiersung, along with the common bile duct, forms the hepatopancreatic duct. This duct is swollen at its terminal end, forming the ampulla of Vata, which opens into the duodenum. Its opening is guarded by the sphincter of Oddi. The accessory pancreatic duct, or duct of Santorini, opens separately into the duodenum above the opening of the ampulla of Vata. About 500 milliliters of pancreatic juice is produced per day in a healthy adult. The endocrine portion of the pancreas consists of irregular clusters of cells called the islets of Langerhans. There are 4 different types of cells in the islets. These are alpha cells that secrete glucagon, beta cells that secrete insulin, delta cells that secrete somatostatin, and F cells or PP cells or gamma cells that secrete a pancreatic polypeptide. These hormones are involved in the metabolism of carbohydrates. The exocrine portion of the pancreas plays an important role in converting the food we eat into fuel for the body cells, whereas the endocrine portion is involved in the regulation of blood sugar levels. Disorders of the pancreas. Pancreatitis, inflammation of the pancreas due to alcoholism or gallstones, is known as pancreatitis. Pancreatectomy is the surgical removal of the pancreas. Diabetes mellitus. Deficiency of insulin leads to abnormal increase in the blood glucose levels, known as diabetes mellitus.